All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman with the Sea Ray SDX 250. You can see it has the in-water fold-down transom. So you get in and out of the water easily. Come on board, you see the sea deck and the dune interior. This one has a Sea Ray blue exterior, so it's a great color combination. Check out the power package here. This is the 6.2 liter 350 with the C-Core outdrives. In-floor storage. Both the captain's and the observer seat, they'll fold forward so you can have everybody corralled sitting in this area. Coming up to the helm, you've got your Simrad, extra large Simrad, for all your mercury management. Look in the head. There's also room down below, and the side entranceway and the huge bow with the cooler storage up front. Check this and a lot of other Sea Ray models out here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Thanks.